Okay, this is the tutorial video for the Flute All-State Music Assignment 1, Etude 1. Make sure you have your instrument and all-state music with you. These videos will teach you how to practice the etudes in an efficient manner to prepare you for your test on the material and for the later audition process in February. You should also have a pencil ready to make notes on your music as we go through the music together. During these tutorial videos, feel free to pause and make any required notes on your music. Now, let's go ahead and look at Etude 1. You'll see it here in the upper left-hand corner where it says Etude 1. The word etude just simply means study or exercise, okay? For this assignment, we are only looking at measures 1 through 4. We're not looking through the whole thing, just measures 1 through 4. Now, notice right away your key signature. You have 2 flats. All B's and E's are flat. Now look at your time signature. You're in 3/4 time signature. So make sure you're counting your rhythms in 3s. Our first step is to practice the notes only. So we're going to play each note one at a time. Let's look carefully first at measure 2. There's an F sharp here. Make sure you know the fingering for F sharp, and it's again in measure 3. Make sure you know what you're doing before you play it. Okay, now let's play these notes as half notes. Get your instrument ready and play along to make sure you are playing the correct notes. We are setting our metronome at 72 right now. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, set, play. Okay, so if you need to, you can scroll back through the video and play that section again for just the notes. Now let's look at the rhythm. We're going to practice the rhythm together in a second. So look at the dotted 8/16. We've counted those before. It's the same rhythm that's in the Star Spangled Banner. It would be counted 1, 2. All right. Over here at measure 2, you have a dotted quarter and 2/16. That would be counted 1 and 3. Okay, and then here in measure 4, you have a quarter note tied to 16ths, so you would have 1, E and a 3. Now, let's set our metronomes to 66, and I'm going to play the rhythm only on concert F. So you feel free to play along. The metronome is at 66. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, set, play. In case you couldn't hear that, we're going to turn up a little bit and try it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, set, and play. All right, there's the rhythm. And now, let's put the whole assignment together, and we're going to add the notes with the rhythm. We're going to keep our metronome at 66 right now. Feel free to finger through the first time, make sure you get the notes, and then go back and play along with the video. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, and play. After you played the etude successfully at this tempo, you'll need to look at your front page and see what the required tempo is. For this etude right here, the Adagio, it's only at 66. So if you can play it at 66 on the metronome, you are set to be able to play it for your audition in February. If you don't have a metronome of your own, make sure you can download one for free on your smartphone, or you can Google metronome, and there's an online version. Okay, finally, record and play those measures we worked on for the first part of your assignment. You will need to submit a recording of the required measures for Etude 1 and Etude 2 to receive full credit for this assignment. All right, this concludes the first video. The next video will go over Etude 2.